Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will build a user configuration manager. As usually, all the source code is already in my GitHub repository, and let's get started. As a first step, we need to define the add a settings function and pass two parameters. Let's call it setting dict and my tuple. We successfully passed test 2 and 3. Now let's convert keys and values of our dictionary passed as a first parameter to lowercase. Here we can use unpacking or multiple assignment syntaxes. Key, value equal my tuple. Then assign for key and value their own values converted to lowercase using lower function. If key in our dictionary exists, we need to return a settings key already exists, cannot add new settings with the same name. Obviously, if it doesn't exist, we need to assign to our dictionary key the new value. As a result, our function should return settings key added with the new value successfully. We passed all the tests from 2 to 8. Let's pass the test number 1. For these purposes, we need to add a new dictionary test settings. This dictionary should have some random values. Let's put name John. First function is complete. Let's create function update settings. The first steps are the same. Let's copy paste it. The logic of this function, if the key is existing, we need to update it. But if the key is not existing, we need to send another message. Let's make the H case first. If key is not in dictionary, we need to return settings key does not exist, cannot update a non-existing settings. After we check existence of the key, we can update it. Settings dictionary key equals value. If key in settings dictionary, return settings key updated to the value successfully. We passed all the tests for updating settings function tests from 9 to 15. Let's define delete settings function. This function should take two parameters, dictionary and key. Because all the keys in our dictionary will be lowercase, we need to convert key that we're accepting to the lowercase. Now we can check existence of the key. First, we need to do a H case. If key is not in our dictionary, we need to return settings not found. If the key is present in our dictionary, we need to delete it. We will use the pop function. As a last step, we need to return message settings key deleted successfully. Great, we passed tests from 16 to 21. The last function view settings will be a little bit harder. It will accept only dictionary. If length of the dictionary equal to 0, return the message. Now the complicated part, we need to build this multi-string message. Here we can use multiple string syntaxes or new line character. Let's create a variable new string and assign it to the current user settings and skip character in the end. As a final step, let's use for loop for key and value in our dictionary items. The key in our message should be capitalized, so let's use the capitalize function. And the next step, let's add in our for loop to new string with additional assignment operator every new string with escape character in the end. New settings function should return the string. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget like, subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.